Since there is nobody flying and there is no wind, gotta fly this F-104 again. Way too nice of weather not to. Alright. Oh, let's go fly this bad boy. Alright. Always gotta cycle the gear just to make sure we're not gonna have any issues.
Gear up. Gear down.
Gear's fine. Alright, let's do it.
Gyro initialized. Gyro initialized.
This is the FMS 90mm 12 blade with 1900 kV. A little bit of a pain to get in there, but it is totally worth it.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Take off right to left to right. Easier to see.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
Likes these packs. The 6200 and the 5055C it really likes. Oh yeah, so much better with no wind. There's no wind, so you can actually hear the air. Feels great.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Really good right now. I think, well, the mix that not the mix, but the gyro settings have actually worked pretty good. Good fast one set up from the right, from the left.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, let's come back around, do a gear pass.
30 seconds. Gear down.
There they are. 3 are down.
Landing flaps.
Landing flaps down. Nice sweeping turn.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Braking.
I gotta go get it. Touchdown way too late, and I'm not gonna drive back and mess things up. Better to let it roll off a little ways than to, I should have gone around again, but oh well. Walk all the way out there.
Flaps up.
Rather than suck up a whole bunch of crap into the cheater hole. I'll leave it as it is. I think it's alright. Drive it back. Yeah, that's fine. I probably could have driven back, but just to be safe. Touchdown way too far back, way too far forward. Yeah, it's fine. Let's just make sure. Man, squirrel ate all the way through the
Release.
ate through the petromat. And landing gear is all good. So cool. Let's put it down. Get a good shot.